This is the blue whale. They are the largest known animal to have ever existed. Blue whales are capable of living for up to 90 years and weigh roughly 199 tons. That's 398,000 pounds, or the equivalent of 40 school buses. Blue whales are classified as an endangered species, and it is estimated that only 25,000 may be left in the wild. This was due to whaling many years ago, where fishermen would seek out whales and kill them by the masses. Nowadays, you could be among the lucky 1% of people in the world to see a blue whale in person out in the open waters.